Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Allure beauty box. And before I get into it, I want to give a shout out to Allure. She here on YouTube does the Allure unboxings and I've been eyeballing them for a while and she has convinced me to purchase them. And Allure also had a promotion going on. I can't remember if it was for Black Friday. Towards the end of November, they had a promotion to where for $39.95 you would get 3 Allure boxes and a bonus mystery kind of bundle of stuff at the end that is supposed to be valued at $98. Since I did order it in the end of November, they shipped me out the November box and I wanted to unbox it even though it's like the middle of December because I wanted to know if anybody was curious about what was in this box, my thoughts on it. Also, I will have Allie Brand's channel linked in the cards, and also I'll have her Instagram and everything, her channel all linked in the description box, as well as everything in this box. So this is my very first Allure beauty box. So it came with a little card with this pretty little lady on here. So the first thing in here, it says, is the Pearl Brightening Face Mask. It is by Lapcos. That's what it looks like, and I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it says on the bottom there. But these are $14 for 5 of them at Anthrobeauty.com. Enter Anthrobeauty to receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness purchase of $50 or more. Exclusions apply. Blah 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 blah. So it ends on December 31st. So the next face mask, I have been eyeballing it so much, but it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask that is supposed to be hydrating and soothing for all skin types with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and I don't know how to pronounce the other thing, but that is what this one looks like. And you can actually see the face mask in the back there. I think that's really cool. But this is normally $8 at glowrecipe.com, or you can get it at Sephora. Enter Allure 15 to receive 15% off all products except the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And it's valid all the way through January 1st. So the next thing in here is the Kocostar Rose Lip Mask. It looks like this, and this is $38 for a pack of 20 of them, so I think that's a good deal. I'll have to see how good this is before I really judge that, but this you can find at Anthrobeauty.com. Same code applies with Anthrobeauty to receive $10 off your $50 or more purchase, and that ends December 31st. Again, the next thing is the Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment in this little sample size here. And I have tried this before, but it's been a really long time. So I'm happy to have a little sample size to try out and spot treatment for. I'm pretty sure the full size of the Glamglow is like $70 or $69. I could be wrong. But it says in here that it's $59. Like, again, I'll list everything down below. And then it says you can get it at Glamglow, you can get it at Sephora. But it says if you put in the code Allure18, you can receive 20% off any purchase of $50 or more. And I'm pretty sure that's for Glamglow. I'll see about that. The next thing is the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels, which look like that, and you get 5 pairs of these for $15 at Anthrobeauty.com. The next thing in here is the Starskin Exfoliating Double Layer Foot Mask Sock, which, oh Jesus, which look like this. And the only exfoliating foot mask type things I've tried are the Boscia Baby Soft Foot Peels, I guess they're called. But those things really worked. They really exfoliated my feet. I used the Boscia foot mask things, and like 3 days later I was laying in bed and I was like, what is all these crumbs in like the bed? This is so gross. And I like pulled up the sheets and it was all of my like dead foot skin. Super gross, but my feet were really soft and they worked. So, but this is $15 and you can get this at starskin.com. And if you enter the code Allure20, you can receive 20% off your purchase. And that goes until December 31st. And the last thing is the invisibobbles, and they're in the purple color right here. And these are $7.95. And you can get them at Ulta, Sephora. But I'm really curious about these. I don't know. Let's find these out. I normally use the hair ties with the, what are they called? I don't know what these are called. The little ones with the little things, but they stretch out so bad. Granted, I use them so much. These kind of freak me out because they're plastic. But it says on the side here that it says traceless, non-soaking, hair caring, avoids headaches, strong grip, updo tool, anti-allergic. Are people allergic to hair ties? I mean, I guess people can be allergic to everything. I feel like it sticks my hair up more, which I like, oddly enough. Let's see, how do you take it out? Oh, definitely a lot harder to take it out. What about a ponytail? Shall we try a ponytail? We'll do a quick ponytail. I like how stretchy it is. Yeah, it makes my ponytail look a lot thicker. Granted, my bangs are short, so they're probably gonna fall out of the ponytail. Now, it is a lot harder to get it off. I'm yanking my hair out. Okay. I feel like I already stretched this one out. Oh my god, I did. Alright, so this is the one I just put in my hair, and this is like the one that was in the box. It comes with 3 of them, and I already stretched this one out. Okay, I will keep you updated on those. So that is everything for the Allure beauty box. This is the November box. I will also be getting the December and the January box, as well as the bundle thing that's going on. But I will keep you guys updated on everything. So far, I think that this one box is worth $40 because that's a lot of stuff. But don't forget to let me know down below in the comments if you want to see a review or a masking video or something with all of those. Also, don't forget to follow Allie Brienne and to see her videos. She gets the Allure box a little bit sooner than I do. But that is everything. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Also hit that thumbs up button to like this video so I know to do the December box and the January box. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.